Ayan. Tapos, sige, anuhan pa natin yan guys mamaya. Hindi tayo makapag-ano dyan, hindi tayo pwede. Bakit kaya may mga ganun guys? May mga... Isa lang ako pwedeng nakapag-comment sa kay Sir, sandali lang ha, sa video tingnan natin. Sir John Lee Wong Channel, hindi ako makapag-comment sa video mo po, pero nag-like na lang po ako. Bakit ka? Pero hindi, may damit ka na sir eh. Sino ba to? Helgin Vlog, Sirat FF, remember me? Say, remember me? Why? Did we meet na ba? Nag-meet na ba tayo? Who are you? Sirat FF. Hello, Sirat FF. Oh, I subscribe already your channel. Yeah, okay. I will leave. Oh, so sorry. Yeah. Last night? Yeah, I think so. Ooh, oh, di ba? Yeah. And then, hello. Thank you so much, Sirat. Bangladesh, yeah, thank you so much. I just leave a comment on your and then after ni Ma'am Liz, I just wait. Si Thank you. Sir Adonis, sino pa ba? Yeah, naka-line po kayo guys ha. Naka-play tayo kay Sir John Lee. Next, wait lang guys. Si Miss Ann in Taiwan. Okay. Me, I'm from Philippines. Sirat, will you please, visit my friend's channel? Rita Chanley, so that they can dikit-dikit you also. You know what is dikit-dikit? Liz Dreams, Miss Ann in Taiwan, Mom's Journey, yeah, and Gala Vlog. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wait lang. Let us check Miss Ann in Taiwan. Thank you so much. We are from Philippines. Sirat, Philippines. Thank you. Hi, hello to all the people in Bangladesh. Hello. Oh my God. Good evening, guys. Thank you. Waiting tayo, guys, kasi magsulat din kaya ako. Pero mamaya na. Against the light ba, guys?